Hello and a warm welcome to all my dear little girls and boys in grade 4. Grade 4 එකේ මගේ දුවල පුතාලව ටීචර් අදත් ආදරෙන් English lesson එකට පිළිගන්නවා. I hope you are ready to start the lesson. It's a new lesson. පුතාලා දුවල ලෑස්ති නේද අද පාඩමට? ඔන්න අදත් අලුත් පාඩමක්. Now we have started unit number 7. අපි unit number 7 එක පටන් අරගෙන තියෙන්නේ. What is the name of our unit? It is My Calendar. We are talking about the calendar. And we have completed 5 lessons. And today we have to do lesson number 6. Now in our lesson number 1, 2, 3 and 4, we spoke about so many things that is related to my calendar. Now we know the days of the week, the months of the year. Now I know all my little girls and boys know how to write the 7 days of the week and the months of the year. So what are we going to learn in our lesson number 6 today? It's all about weather of the week. Now what is a week? අද අපේ පාඩමේ කතා කරන්න පුතේ weather of the week කියලා. මොකද්ද week එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ? Week means there are 7 days in a week. When 7 days get together, we call it a week. අපි week එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ පුතේ සිංහලෙන් week එකට කියන්නේ සතියක් කියලා. සතියක් කියන්නේ දවස් 7ක් එකතු වුණාම නේද? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Those are the days of the week. So we say it's a week. අපි කියන්නේ සතියක් කියලා. Now in our lesson number 6, we are going to talk about the weather. Weather කියලා කියන්නේ මගේ පුතාලා weather කියලා කියන්නේ පුතේ අපි කාලගුණය. මගේ පුතාලා දැන් ඔන්න සමහර දවස්වලට වැස්ස තියෙනවා, සමහර දවස්වලට ගොඩක් පායනවා, නේද? සමහර දවස්වලට ගොඩක් හුලං හමනවා. ඒ වගේ නේද පුතේ අපි දිනපතාම අපිට එක එක විදිහේ කාලගුණයන් අපිට දකින්න ලැබෙනවා. So today in our lesson we are going to talk about the weather. Weather කියලා කියන්නේ කාලගුණය. ඉතින් අපි දැන් කොහොමද පුතේ කාලගුණය ගැන ඇයි අපි කතා කරන්නේ කැලෙන්ඩර් එක ගැන කතා කරනකොට? Because every day there is a change in the weather. There are changes in the weather. Sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's cloudy, sometimes it's very warm, and sometimes it's very sunny, and sometimes it's very rainy and cold and windy. So we are going to talk about the weather that changes during a week. උන්න සතියක් ඇතුළත අපි අපිට තියෙන කාලගුණය කොයි වගේද කියලා කතා කරනවා. Because we are talking about a week, I think that is related to the calendar. So during a week, we are going to see how the weather is going to change. So now I want you to take your pupils book and your workbook, and you have to get ready because we are going to start another interesting lesson. So it's lesson number 6 in unit number 7, and it is all about the weather of the week. Come, now let's move on to our happy cloud and we'll see what we are going to talk about. Okay, now in your pupils book, you have your happy cloud. දුවල පුතාලා pupils book එකට පෙරලලා lesson number 6 එකට ආවහම unit number 7 එකේ මෙන්න පුතාලාගේ happy cloud එක තියෙනවා. So now what are the words that we have in our happy cloud? අද මොනවද පුතේ අපිට happy cloud එක දිහා බලලා ඉගෙන ගන්න තියෙන අලුත් වචන? Now we are talking about weather. අපි මොනවා ගැනද කතා කරන්නේ? කාලගුණය ගැන නේද? weather එක ගැන. අපි weather එක ගැන කතා කරනකොට ඔන්න මොන වගේ වචනද අපේ lesson එකේ අද අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ? These are the words that we are going to use in our lesson today. It's all about weather and we are going to use these words. You are going to learn the names, you are going to learn how to spell these words. Before all of that, we will read and see what those words are. sunny. Now the first word here is sunny. දැන් sun කියලා කියන්නේ මොකටද පුතේ? What is sun? sun කියලා කියන්නේ ඉර. නේද පුතේ? sunny. sunny කියලා කියන්නේ හොඳින් ඉර පායලා තියෙන දවසකට. It's a sunny day. හොඳින් ඉර පායලා තියෙනවා නම් අපි කියනවා it's a sunny day. So the word sunny means හොඳට ඉර පායලා තියෙන දවසක්. Do you like the sunny days? Yes, we like because we can go out and play. We can go for a walk. When it is raining, we can't go out. Your parents don't like you getting wet. නේද පුතේ? හොඳට ඉර පායලා තියෙන දවසකනේ අපිට සෙල්ලම් කරන්න පුළුවන්, ඇවිදින්න යන්න පුළුවන් නේද? එතකොට අපි ආසයි හොඳට ඉර පායලා තියෙන දවසට වහිනවට වඩා නේද? So when it is sunny, we can see the sun brightly shining in the sky and we call it a sunny day. හොඳින් ඉර පායපු දවසකට කියන්නේ මොකද්ද පුතේ අපි ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් sunny day කියලා කියනවා. So the new word here is sunny. Then we have windy. windy. wind කියලා කියන්නේ මොකටද? wind කියලා කියන්නේ සුළඟට. නේද? wind කියනවා අපි සුළඟට. windy කියන්නේ සුළං සහිත. සමහර දවස්වලට ටිකක් හුළඟ වැඩි නේද පුතේ අපිට ගස් කැරකෙනවා පේනවා සද්ද ඇහෙනවා හුළං එනකොට නේද? So on that day we say it's very windy today. අද හුඟක් තදින් හුළං හමන දවසක්. It's a windy day. What is the word that we use? windy. දැන් හොඳට ඉර පායලා තියෙන දවසට අපි මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? sunny day කියලා කියනවා. තදින් හුළඟ හමන දවසට අපි මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? It's a windy day. What is the next word? Cloudy. Cloudy. Cloud කියලා කියන්නේ? Cloud කියලා කියන්නේ වලාකුළු වලට. නේද පුතේ? එතකොට cloudy කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? වලාකුළු වලින් බර වෙලා තියෙන අහසක් තියෙන දවසකට අපි කියනවා it's a cloudy day. It's a cloudy day. And after that it might rain. දැන් සමහර දවස්වලට පුතේ හුඟක් වලාකුළු තියෙනකොට අහස කළු කරලා ඊට පස්සේ වැස්ස එනවා. නේද? හුඟක් වලාකුළු කළු කරලා තියෙන දවසට තමයි වැස්සක් එන්නේ. අනිත් දවස්වලට ඉර පායලා තියෙනකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? අපිට අහස පැහැදිලිව පේනවා වලාකුළු නෑ නේද පුතේ? So when it is cloudy, we can expect rain. අපි කොහොමද cloudy දවසක් කියන්නේ පුතේ වලාකුළු ගොඩක් තියෙන දවසක්නේ. එතකොට ඒ දවස sunny day එකක් windy day එකක් නෙමෙයි. It's a cloudy day. Mostly we say that it is a cloudy day. Then the last one, rainy day. What is rain? Rain කියලා කියන්නේ වැස්සට. rainy වැසි සහිත දිනයක්. වැස්ස තියෙන දවසකට අපි කියනවා rainy day එකක් කියලා. වහින දවස් තියෙනවා නේද පුතේ? Now when we have lots of clouds in the sky, sometimes it might rain. We can predict the weather saying that it's going to rain when it is very cloudy. And when it is raining, we can't go out. We have to carry an umbrella. We can't go out and play because we might get sick. So when rain comes, you have to stay at home. All right. So we are talking mainly about 4 different weather types. අපි පුතේ උන්න කාලගුණය වෙනස් වෙන විදි 4ක් ගැන පුතාලගේ අද ලෙසන් එකේදී අපි කතා කරනවා. So what is the first one? Sunny. Sunny day. Sunny කියලා කොහොමද පුතේ අපි ලියන්නේ? S-U-N-N-Y. S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny. Next one, cloudy. C-L-O-U-D-Y. Cloudy. Cloudy කියලා කියන්නේ වලාකුළු වලින් බර වුණු. Windy. Windy. W-I-N-D-Y. Windy. කියන්නේ හුලං හුඟක් හමන දවසකට අපි කියනවා it's a windy day. Last one, rainy. 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 R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy day. වැසි දිනයක්. So what are the 4 different types of weather? Sunny, windy, rainy, cloudy. අපි වර්ග 4ක් ගැන ඔන්න පුතාලට අද පාඩමේදී කතා කරනවා. So we are going to use these 4 words all the time during our lesson. sunny, cloudy, windy and rainy. Now we are going to move on to our next slide. Let's see what we have there. Now in your pupil's book with your happy cloud, there is a little poem. You can even sing it like a song. And here they describe us the weather that we see during the week. Now we spoke about 4 weather types, the sunny day, the windy day, the rainy day and the cloudy day. So we are going to sing the song, or maybe you can say it like a poem, and we are going to read the words and see what it is all about. Right, come, let's start. Now the first word that we had in our happy cloud was sunny. So shall we read it? Sunny, 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 sunny. Now look at the words. Look at the words, look at the letters. Now you have your book. When you open it and turn to this page, you can see it very clearly. Look at the words, because now the words are being repeated. දැන් මගේ දුවල පුතාලා පොත දිගෑරලා ටීචර්ත් එක්ක පාඩම කරනකොට මගේ දුවල පුතාලා මේ වචන දිහා ටීචර් කියනකොට බලන්න ඕනේ. දැන් අපිට එකම වචනේ කීප වාරයක් නැවත නැවත දාලා තියෙනවා. පුතාලා දැන් මේ ස්පෙලිංග්ස් ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනේ හින්දා තමයි පුතේ නැවත නැවත මේ වචන දාලා දුවල පුතාලට නිතරම මේ වචන ඇහෙන්න ටීචර්ත් කියන්නේ. So let's read it. Sunny, 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 sunny. It is sunny in the sky. Sunny, 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 sunny. It is sunny in the sky. Now where do we see the sun? We see the sun in the sky. That's right. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. It is sunny in the sky. Now these words are very easy and easy for you to remember as well. ඔන්න පුතේ අපිට එකම වචන ටික තියෙනවා පුතාලට ලේසියෙන් පාඩම් කරගන්න පුළුවන් විදියට. Now look at the picture as well when we say the words. Sunny, 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 sunny. It is sunny in the sky. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. It is sunny in the sky. Now what can you see in the picture? You can see the bright sun. The bright sun. ඔන්න හොඳට ඉර පායලා තියෙන දවසක්. නේද පුතේ? වලාකුළු වලින් එළියට ඇවිල්ලා ඉර ලස්සනට පායලා තියෙන දවසක්. Now how do you feel when it is sunny? How do you feel? දුවල පුතාලට කොහොමද හොඳින් ඉර පායලා තියෙන දවසකට දැනෙන්නේ? How do you feel? How do you feel? කියන්නේ අපිට දැනෙන විදිහ. We will feel very warm. අපිට රස්නේ දැනෙනවා නේද පුතේ? When we go out to play, when it is very sunny, you will start sweating. දුවල පුතාලට දාඩිය දානවා. නේද? සෙල්ලම් කරනකොට දාඩිය දානවා. When we walk, we will start sweating. And at the same time, the weather is very beautiful. Not like when it is raining. When it's raining, we can't go out. All over we will see muddy puddles all over. මඩ පිරිච්ච වලවල් තියෙනවා වහිනකොට. හැබැයි යවුව පායලා තියෙනකොට කොහොමද පුතේ? You can see beautiful flowers have bloomed, and the trees and the plants will look very bright and pretty. And it's a very colorful day when it is sunny. When the sun has come out, we have the sunlight. So you can go out and play and you can enjoy, right? So when it is sunny, you will always see the bright sun shining in the sky. So what did the poem say? Sunny, 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 sunny. It is sunny in the sky. Sunny, sunny. That you now can you see the word sunny? S-U-N-N-Y. S-U-N-N-Y. Easy to remember. S-U-N-N-Y. You can easily, now itself you can start remembering the spelling and the words. And here in the third line we say S-U-N-N-Y. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. It is sunny in the sky. Okay. Now it is going to be the same thing in all our poems, in all our other pictures, it is going to be the same thing. Right, now we have spoken about the word sunny, a sunny day. Now we have moved to our next slide and we have the word cloudy. Cloudy. Let's read and see. Cloudy, 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 cloudy. It is cloudy in the sky. Cloudy, 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 cloudy. It is cloudy in the sky. C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. It is cloudy in the sky. Easy to remember, no? පුතාලට ලේසියෙන් පාඩම් කරගන්න පුළුවන්. හරි ලස්සනට අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් නේද පුතේ? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. It is cloudy in the sky. C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. It is cloudy in the sky. Now look at the clouds. Now usually when you draw your clouds, what is the color that you use? Most of the time, you will use white color or light blue color. නේද පුතේ? මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා දැන් ඔන්න cloudy කියනකොට වලාකුළු වලින් පිරිච්ච අහසක් අඳිනකොට අපි කොහොමද අඳින්නේ පුතේ? සුදු පාටින් නැත්නම් නිල් පාට ටිකක් දාලා blue color නේද? Now in this we have not very bright colored clouds. They are a little dark. So they are dark clouds. So at what time do we see dark clouds? As I told you, we will see dark clouds before it rains. වැස්සක් එන්න කලින් කොහොමද පුතේ අපේ පරිසරයේ තියෙන්නේ? What are the changes in the environment before it rains? You will see dark clouds coming in. ඔන්න අම්මා කියන්නේ මගේ පුතාලට ඔන්න කළු කරගෙන එනවා එළිය තියෙන රෙදි අරගන්න එහෙම කියනවා නේද පුතේ? Go quickly, go out and take all the clothes on the lines, bring them inside, otherwise they will get wet. එහෙමයි කියන්නේ. රෙදි අරන් එන්න ඉක්මනට කියනවා තෙමෙන්න කලින්. So before it rains, we will see the dark clouds coming in. Sometimes when it is bright and sunny, sometimes we see clouds which are white in color. They are like little cotton balls. So beautiful. But when it is raining, when it is to rain, the clouds will look dark. We will have dark clouds. Okay. So now in the poem, we are talking about some dark clouds. Where are the clouds? As the sun, even the clouds are in the sky. Cloudy, 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 cloudy. It is cloudy in the sky. C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. It is cloudy in the sky. දැන් කොහොමද පුතේ අපි cloud කියලා ලියනකොට C-L-O-U-D කියලා ලියනවා. Cloudy කියනකොට කොහොමද අපි ලියන්නේ? C-L-O-U-D-Y. එක අකුරක් තව අපි එකතු කරනවා. C-L-O-U-D කියන එකට අපි Y අකුරක් එකතු කරපුවාම cloudy කියන වචනය අපිට එනවා. Cloudy, 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 cloudy. It is cloudy in the sky. C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. It is cloudy in the sky. So now we have spoken about the sunny weather and the cloudy weather. Let's move on to our next slide and that will show us all about the rainy day. Shall we read it? Rainy, 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 rainy. It is rainy in the sky. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. It is rainy in the sky. Now, how do we write the word rain? R-A-I-N, rain. But when we say rainy, as cloudy, you have to add another letter Y. So that becomes not rain, but rainy. වැසි දවසක්. අපි rain කියලා කියනවා වැස්සට, rainy කියලා කියනවා වැසි දිනයකට. Right? So rainy, 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 rainy. It is rainy in the sky. So from where is the rain coming? From where does it fall down? It falls from the clouds in the sky. So the dark clouds came and the dark clouds will have water inside the clouds, and they will fall down as rain. So the rain comes from the sky. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. It is rainy in the sky. Now can you see? We have the clouds and the rain falling down. Now I hope you all know that little nursery rhyme, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play, rain, rain, go away. So now what is happening? When it is raining, can we go out and play? No, we can't. We cannot get wet because we might catch a cold. අපි දැන් වැස්ස වෙලාවට පුතේ මගේ පුංචි දුවලා පුතාලා නම් ආසයි නේද? වැස්සට ගිහිල්ලා වැස්සේ තෙමිලා මඩ පාගලා සෙල්ලම් කරන්න අපි ආසයිනේ. හැබැයි අම්මා මොකද කියන්නේ? No, 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 you can't go and get wet. එළියට ගිහිල්ලා තෙමෙන්න බෑ. පුතා ලෙඩ වෙයි. හිම්බිරිස්සාව හැදෙයි. එහෙම කියනවා නේද සිංහලෙන්? You might catch a cold. ඒ කියන්නේ හිම්බිරිස්සාවක් හැදෙයි. You will get a cough. කැස්සක් හැදෙයි. අපි වැස්සට ගිහිල්ලා තෙමුනහම අපිට ලෙඩ වෙයි කියලානේ කියන්නේ නේද පුතේ? So it's not good for us to go out when it is raining, but still we like to go and get wet, don't we? We love the rain and we want to go and get wet in the rain, play with the rainwater and all of those things. So now when it is raining, what do you take when you go out? During the time that is raining, what do you take? You have to take a raincoat or an umbrella. අපි වැස්ස දවසකට එළියට යනකොට මොනවද අරන් යන්නේ පුතේ? අපි අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම අරන් යන්න ඕනේ umbrella එකක්. මොකක්ද umbrella කියන්නේ? කුඩයක් නේද? අපි කුඩයක් හරි නැත්නම් පුතාලා රේන්කෝට් එකක් දාගන්නවා. එතකොට ඔළුවේ ඉඳන්ම පුතාලව තෙමෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඉතින් අපි umbrella එකක් හරි raincoat එකක් හරි අරගෙන යන්න ඕනේ වැස්ස දවසට. So you have to remember that. If you go out without taking an umbrella or a raincoat, you will get wet. And then if you're sick, if you fall ill, you can't go to school. So rainy season, you have to remember to always keep an umbrella with you. So every day it's not raining. No, there is a season where it's raining. අපිට පුතේ හැමදාම එක දවසක් පායනවා, එක දවසක් වැස්ස එහෙම නෑනේ. සමහර කාලයක් තියෙනවා වහින කාලයක්. කාලයක් තියෙනවා අපිට පායන කාලයක් නේද? So there are different weather conditions in different months, or maybe during the year we can see the change of the weather. So now here we are talking about rain, the rainy day. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy, 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 rainy. It is rainy in the sky. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy. It is rainy in the sky. So we have spoken about the sunny day, then we spoke about the cloudy day, and this is the rainy day. Let's see what we have in our next slide. Oh, now out of the three different weather types, now we are talking about the windy day. Windy. අපි මොකද්ද පුතේ හුළඟට කියන්නේ ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින්? wind කියලානේ ටීචර් පුතාලට කිව්වනේ. කොහොමද අපි wind කියන එක ස්පෙල් කරන්නේ? W-I-N-D. wind. එතකොට ඒක windy කියලා කියන්නේ අපි මොන අකුර එකතු කරපුවාමද? Y අකුර එකතු කරපුවාම. W-I-N-D-Y. Then it becomes windy. Okay? Now let's read. Now you know how the words go. Windy, 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 windy. It is windy in the sky. Windy, 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 windy. It is windy in the sky. W-I-N-D-Y, windy. W-I-N-D-Y, windy. It is windy in the sky. It is windy in the sky. Now, can you see the wind? Like the way you see the rain and the clouds and the sun. Can you see the wind? පුතාලා දුවලට සුළඟ පේනවද? අපිට දැන් ඉර පායලා තියෙනකොට ඉර පේනවා. අපිට වලාකුළු වලින් බර වෙලා තියෙන දවසට අහස අපිට ඒ වලාකුළු පේනවා. එතකොට වහින දවසට රේනි ඩේ එකකට අපිට රේන් පේනවා නේද පුතේ? වැස්ස අපේ ඇඟට වැටෙනවා. අපිට අල්ලන්න පුළුවන්, දකින්න පුළුවන්. But do we see the wind? අපිට හුළඟ පේනවද? හුළඟට පාටක් තියනවද? The wind doesn't have a color. The wind cannot be seen. අපිට පේන්නේ නැහැ. But how do we know that it is a windy day? Look at the picture. How do we know that it is a windy day? Oh, the branches of the trees start moving. නේද පුතේ? කොහොමද මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා ඔන්න පෙන්වන්න බලන්න ටීචර්ට වැස්ස වහින වෙලාවට කොහොමද ගස් එහා මෙහා පැද්දෙන්නේ? මෙහෙම පැද්දෙනවා නේද පුතේ? හුඟක් හුළඟ එනකොට ගස් තියෙන තැන්වල ඉඳලා එහෙට වැනෙනවා, මෙහෙට වැනෙනවා. They are all the branches are because of the wind, the leaves, all the leaves are coming out and you can see that it is windy. ගස්වල තියෙන කොළ ගැලවිලා නේද පුතේ? හුළඟට ගහගෙන යනකොට ඔන්න අපි දන්නවා මේ හුළඟක් එනවා කියලා. But can we see the wind? No. But when we draw pictures, you can draw it like this and show. Maybe you can use light blue color to show the wind, and then all the trees and the branches, they move on to one side. All the leaves that fall from the tree will go flying. So you know that the wind is blowing in that direction. අපිට හුළඟ හමනකොට පුතේ ඒ හුළඟ හමන දිශාවට නේද අතු ඔක්කොම නැවෙනවා, කොළ ඒ පැත්තට හුළඟට ගහගෙන යනවා. එහෙම දවසකට අපි කියන්නේ windy day එකක් කියලා නේද පුතේ? So at that time what do we do? If we are out, what can we hold an umbrella? Can we open the umbrella and hold it when it is windy? අපිට පුතේ කුඩේ ඉහළට දිග අරගෙන ඉන්න පුළුවන්ද හුළං හමන වෙලාවට? බෑ නේද පුතේ? හුළඟ එනකොට අපිවත් ගහගෙන යන්න යනවනේ. අපි කුඩේ තියාගෙන ඉන්නකොට මෙහෙම මොකද වෙන්නේ? අපිවත් ගහගෙන යන්න යනවා. එතකොට ඔන්න අපි දන්නවා ලොකු හුළඟක් එනවා. අපිට හුළඟ දැනෙනවා නේද? You can feel it when the wind is blowing. You can feel that it's a little cold and you will want to wear something like a jersey, right? And when the branches and the trees and when the leaves fall down, you know that it's windy. So it's a different situation when it is windy. And before it's raining, we can see the dark clouds and we can even see the wind blowing thoroughly. The wind is high and heavy and we know that it is going to rain. So when there is a bright sky, when it is sunny, we can see the sun shining bright and nice in the sky, and we can even feel the breeze. But when it is windy, it's different. දැන් පුතේ අපිට හොඳට ඉර පායලා තියෙනකොට අපිට හුළඟක් හමනකොට ඒකත් අපිට ඇඟට දැනෙනවා නේද? හැබැයි හුඟක් සුළඟ වැඩි දවසකට අපි windy day එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ තදින්ම හුළඟ හමන දවසක්. අපි නිකන් අනිත් වෙලාවටත් අපිට හුළං එනවනේ නේද? අපි ජනේලයක් හැදුවොත් අපිට හුළඟ දැනෙනවා. හැබැයි එහෙම නෙමෙයි අර ලොකුවට සද්දෙකුත් ඇවිල්ලා ගස් කැරකිලා පෙරලිලා එන හුළඟ තමයි ඔන්න අපි windy day එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ. Not the wind blowing, when the wind just blows, we don't say that it's a windy day. But it has to be a heavy wind and we say that it is a windy day. ගස් පෙරලෙන්න පුළුවන් නේද? So sometimes even the big huge boards on the road might fall and we will have heavy rains, thunder showers and heavy rains when it is very windy. So the environment changes according to the sunny day, according to the windy day, the cloudy day and the rainy day. So in this part of the poem, it says about the wind and the windy day. So how do we say it? Windy, 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 windy. It is windy in the sky. W-I-N-D-Y, windy. It is windy in the sky. So now tell me once again, what are the four different weather types we saw in our poem today? It was a sunny day, it was a rainy day, it was a cloudy day, and it was a windy day. So now we spoke about four different types of weather. right? So now you know how to spell the words sunny. Now tell me the spelling of the word sunny. Sunny. Now when you say this poem or when you sing this very often, you will remember the words and the spellings. දුවලා පුතාලා ඔන්න නිතරම දැන් හරි ලේසියෙන් කියන්නත් පුළුවන් නේද පුතේ? ඔන්න පේලි 4යි තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට අපි ඒක නිතරම ආසාවෙන් කිව්වොත් සින්දුවක් විදියට පුතාලාට ඉක්මනින් වචන මතක හිටිනවා. So sunny, sunny. Windy, windy. Cloudy, cloudy. Rainy, rainy. Rainy. හරි දැන් පුතාලා ඒ words හතරම ඔන්න ලියන්න පුළුවන්. අපි ලියමු අපේ workbook activities තියෙනවානේ. When we complete them, we will write the words and we will try to remember them. Now let's move on to our next slide. We'll see what we have to do there. Now in your pupils book, after you saw your beautiful poem, the interesting poem, we have some pictures with some sentences. How was the weather like last week? How was the weather like last week? ඒ කියන්නේ පුතේ මොකක්ද ඒකේ තේරුම? How was the weather like last week? මෙතන like කියලා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් like කියන්නේ I like apples. ඒ කියන්නේ මම apple කන්න ආසයි. දැන් මෙතන මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? How was the weather like last week? ඒ කියන්නේ පහුගිය සතියේ කාලගුණය තිබුණේ කොහොමද? How was it like? මොන වගේද කියන එක තමයි පුතේ එතනින් අදහස් කරන්නේ. How was the weather like last week? How was the weather like last week? දැන් උන්න අපි බලනවා පහුගිය සතියේ තිබිච්ච කාලගුණය කොහොමද කියලා. So now last week means the week is already gone. Last week කියලා කියන්නේ පහුගිය සතියේ. ගිය සතියේ කොහොමද කාලගුණය තිබ්බේ? Now you have to think of the weather. Okay? How was it? On Monday, how was it? And on Tuesday, then Wednesday, did it rain last week? ගිය සතියේ වැස්සද? ගිය සතියේ හයියෙන් හුලං ආපු දවසක් තිබුණාද? ඔන්න දැන් අපි weather එක ගැන බලනවා. හැබැයි අපි කවදා weather එක ගැනද කියන්නේ? We are talking about the weather that was last week. ගිය සතියේ. Now last week, we are going to start from Monday. Last Monday. Now we have the word Monday. Yeah, M-O-N-D-A-Y. Now you know how to write that, no? M-O-N-D-A-Y. Now Monday, how was the weather? How was the weather? කාලගුණය කොහොමද තිබුණේ? How was the weather? අපි අහන්නේ නැහැ how is the weather කියලා පුතේ. How was the weather? අපි පහුගිය දෙයක් ගැනනේ කතා කරන්නේ. The week is gone. It is the last week. So we have to say how was the weather? කාලගුණය කොහොමද තිබුණේදා? Right? So how was the weather like on Monday? කොහොමද තිබිලා තියෙන්නේ පුතේ පහුගිය සඳුදා weather එක? What do you call this day? It is a bright sun that we see here. Do we see any dark clouds? No, we don't see any dark clouds. And do you see any rain? No, we don't have any rain. And is it windy? Can you see the branches moving up and down? No. Then what can we see? We can see the bright sun. So what type of a day was it? මොන වගේ දවසක්ද පුතේ? දැන් අපිට මෙතන පේන්නේ නෑ dark clouds. නේද? අපිට හුඟක් තද වලාකුළු නේද? වලාකුලින් බර වෙච්ච දවසක් නෙමෙයි පේන්නේ. rainy day එකකුත් නෙමෙයි වැස්ස අපිට පේන්නේ නෑ මෙතන. එතකොට හොඳට හුලං හමන දවසක්ද? නෑ. What is this? ලස්සනට ඉර පායලා තියෙන දවසකට අපි මොකද්ද කියන්නේ පුතේ? It's a sunny day. So on Monday, how was the weather? It was sunny. කොහොමද අපි උත්තර දෙන්නේ? How was the weather? ගිය සතියේ කොහොමද කාලගුණය තිබ්බේ කියලා අහනකොට අපි කොහොමද පුතේ උත්තර දෙන්නේ? It was. Can you see the word was here? It was. ඒ කියන්නේ කලින් එක තිබිලා ඉවරයි. It was sunny. Last Monday, it was sunny. හොඳට ඉර පායලා තිබිච්ච දවසක් තමයි පහුගිය සඳුදා. So Monday was a sunny day. How do we spell the word sunny? S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny. Then we are going to move on to our next day, which is Tuesday. Tuesday. How do we spell the word Tuesday? Tuesday. Now, by this time, my little girls and boys in grade 4, you know how to write the days of the week, right? Right. Okay. Now, this is Tuesday. Angaharuwada. Neda pute. Tuesday, how is the weather like? Do we have the bright sun and that blue color cloud? No, we don't have. And is it raining? No, it's not raining. Is it windy? No. Then what is this? We have some dark clouds. So what was the day like? Last Tuesday, it was cloudy. මෙන්න පුතේ වලාකුළු තියන්නේ නේද? ඉර පායලත් නැහැ, වැස්ස වහින්නෙත් නැහැ, සුළඟත් නැහැ. අපිට තියෙන්නේ ටිකක් කළු පාටට හැරිච්ච වලාකුළු ටිකක්. They are dark clouds. So what do we call that day? It was cloudy. වලාකුළෙන් බර වෙච්ච දවසක් තමයි Tuesday තිබිලා තියෙන්නේ. So what was the day like? It was cloudy. The day was cloudy. Okay, now we are moving on to Wednesday. Wednesday. Now I told you something. When we write the word Wednesday, there is a silent D. We don't say Wednesday. අපි කියනවාද පුතේ මේ D අකුරක් තියෙන නිසා Wednesday කියලා. එහෙම කියන්නේ නැහැ. එතකොට ඒක වැරදි. We say Wednesday. අපි D අකුර ශබ්ද කරන්නේ නැහැ. අපි කොහොමද හැබැයි ලියන්නේ Wednesday කියලා? WEDNESDAY. 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 Now, how was the weather like last Wednesday? Last Wednesday, it was cloudy. Cloudy. Can you see the word cloudy? CLOUDY. CLOUDY is cloudy. All right. Now we spoke about last Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. What is our next day? After Wednesday, it's Thursday. Let's see how the weather is on Thursday. Oh, last Thursday, how was the weather like? What can you see here? Can you see a bright sun or dark clouds or rain? No. What is this day? It looks like the wind is blowing. That's right. So last Thursday, how was the weather like? We have to say it was windy. Windy. හොඳට හුළඟ හමන දවසක් නේද? සුළඟ ගොඩක් තිබිච්ච දවසක්. So what is the day? Thursday. How do you spell it? THURSDAY. THURSDAY. That is how we spell the word Thursday. And the weather, it was windy. WINDAY. WINDAY. Windy. Last Thursday, it was windy. Now, after Thursday, what is the day? That's right, it's Friday. Let's see how the weather was last Friday. Oh, look at the weather. Friday. How do we spell the word Friday? FRIDAY. FRIDAY. Now, don't forget the capital letter. Always, the 7 days of the week, we have to write with a capital letter, starting with a capital letter. So, Friday. Now, look at the weather. How is the weather? Now we have some clouds here. Do we have the bright sun? No, we don't have the bright sun here. It's not a sunny day. And do we see the wind blowing? No, we don't see the wind blowing here. And how about the clouds? There are clouds. And what can you see? The rain falling down. The rain is falling down. So what was the weather like on Friday? It was rainy. වැස්ස දවසක්. පහුගිය සිකුරාදා මොන වගේ දවසක් කියලාද එතකොට අපි කියන්නේ පුතේ? It was rainy. 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 Friday was a rainy day. It was rainy. Right. So now we have spoken from Monday to Friday. We have spoken from Monday to Friday the days, and now we know the weather. So now let's move on to our next slide. After Friday, now we spoke about the 5 weekdays: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now we have come to Saturday, the weekend. Weekend එකේ දවස් කීයක්ද පුතේ තියෙන්නේ? දවස් දෙකක් නේද අපිට තියෙන්නේ, Saturday, Sunday. So now we have come to Saturday. How do we spell the word? Saturday. 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 Start with a capital S. So Saturday, oh, once again, what has happened last Saturday? Now the Friday, it was raining. Now even on Saturday, what has happened? How was the weather like? It was rainy. Friday also it was raining, and even Saturday was a rainy day. So Saturday, it was rainy. The day was a rainy day. Can you see the dark clouds and the rain falling down? So this is Saturday. Let's move forward and see how it was last Sunday. Sunday. Can you see? Sunday. We have the word Sunday. Sunday is the second day of the weekend. අපේ සතිය ඉවර වෙන්නේ Sunday දවසෙන් නේද පුතේ? Sunday කියලා කියන්නේ කවදටද? ඉරිදා දවසට. Sunday. So how was the weather like last Sunday? ගිය ඉරිදා කොහොමද පුතේ? එතකොට weather එක තිබිලා තියෙන්නේ. It was, now what do you say? It was sunny. හොඳට ඉර පායලා තිබිච්ච දවසක්. Now Friday and Saturday it was raining, no? But Sunday what happened? Sunday is a bright day with the bright sun. So we say it was sunny. It was sunny. The day was a sunny day. Sunday, it was sunny. How do we spell the word sunny? Sunny. Now you can remember, no? Now you know how to write the days of the week and the weather. Sunny, windy, rainy and cloudy. Very good. I'm very happy. I think all my little girls and boys, now you know how to spell the words as well. Right. Let's see what we have in our next slide. Come. Right. Now we have moved on to our workbook. I told you at the beginning of the lesson that we are going to complete our workbook activities as well. And I'm going to help you to do that. So now you must open your workbook and turn to this page. Listen and number. Okay, now whom are you going to listen to? You're going to listen to me. දැන් මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා හොඳින් අහගෙන ඉඳලා අපි numbers දාන්න යනවා. Now what are the pictures that you can see? They are very, very familiar to you now. මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා ඔන්න දැන් හොඳින්ම දැකලා තියෙන හොඳට දන්න pictures 4ක් අපි දැන් දකින්නේ. Right? So now I'm going to tell you a number and the name of the weather. You have to number it. Okay? Now if you have turned to your workbook, you can do it with me right now. මගේ දුවලා පුතාලට ඔන්න ටීචර් කියනකොටම පුතාලටත් ටීචර්ත් එක්කම මාක් කරලා පුතාලට මේ ඇක්ටිවිටි එක කරන්න පුළුවන්. ටීචර් මෙතන පුතාලට කරලා පෙන්නනවා. පුතාලා තනියම මේක කරන්න try කරන්න ඕනේ. Right. Okay, now I'm going to give you a number. Now how many weather types do we have here? We have only 4 weather types. So I'm going to ask you to number them using number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I'm going to ask you to write number 2 on the windy day. Number 2 on the windy day. Now where is the windy day? Look at the pictures nicely. පුතාලා දුවලට දැන් මං කියන්නේ ඔන්න windy day එකක් මාක් කරන්න කියලා number 2. අපි windy කියලා කිව්වේ කොයි දවසටද පුතේ? හුඟක් තදේට හුලං හමන දවසට නේද? දැන් මගේ පුතාලා ඔන්න pictures ටික දිහා බලන්න ඕනේ. So now you have to write the number that I ask you to write inside this circle. You have to find the correct picture and write the number that I ask you to write. So what did I say? I said number 2, windy day. Now where is that picture? It is over here. What are you going to write? You have to write number 2 inside this circle because it is the windy day. Okay, now we have completed 1. Next, I want you to write number 4 near the picture with dark clouds. Cloudy day. Picture with the dark clouds. Now you have to write number 4. ඔන්න මගේ පුතාලා හොඳින් බලන්න ඕනේ pictures 4ම දිහා. මම කිව්වේ dark clouds කියලා. It's a cloudy day. Dark clouds තියන්නේ අපිට කොහෙද? Now can we see dark clouds in our first picture? No. Can we see in the second picture? No. In the third picture, what can you see? You can see some clouds, but are they dark clouds? කළු වෙච්ච වලාකුළු නෙවෙයි නේද පුතේ? So where do we have the dark clouds? The cloudy day over here. The last picture. So what is the number I told you to write? It's number 4. Write number 4 on the cloudy day. Right? How do we write the word cloudy? C-L-O-U-D-Y. Okay. How do we write the word windy? W-I-N-D-Y. Okay? Right. Now next is number 1. Number 1. I want you to write number 1 inside the circle where you have a sunny day. Sunny day. කියන්නේ පුතේ ඔන්න හොඳට ඉර පායලා තියෙන දවස. ඒක කෝකද ටීචර්ට ඕනේ පුතාලා එතන number 1 කියලා ලියන්න. So it's very easy. Can you see? We have the bright sun over here and we are going to write number 1 inside the circle that is near the sunny picture. How do we spell the word sunny? S-U-N-N-Y. S-U-N-N-Y is the word sunny. So that is number 1. Now we have only 1 picture left. And I want you to write number 3 for the rainy day. Now can you see the rainy clouds we have here? What is the number that I want you to write? It's number 3. Rainy day. Can you see the rain falling down? So we will write number 3 inside the circle which is near the rainy day. So now we have all 4 numbers. What is the first one? The first one is a sunny day. What is the word? Sunny. Sunny day. Then number 2. What is number 2? Windy. Windy. W-I-N-D-Y. Windy. Number 3. It's a rainy day. R-A-I-N-Y. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy. And the last picture, cloudy. C-L-O-U-D-Y. C-L-O-U-D-Y is cloudy. වලාකුලෙන් පිරිච්ච දවසකට අපි කියන්නේ cloudy කියලා. So now we have listen and number was the instruction given to you. So now you listen to me and if you have marked the numbers properly, you will have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now we have completed 1 part of our workbook. Let's see what else we have to do. Observe the weather during the week. Now this is the workbook activity that you have to do after observing a week's weather. ඔන්න දුවලා පුතාලට එක දවසින්ම කරන්න පුළුවන් activity එකක් නෙමෙයි පුතේ මේ. Observe the weather during the week. ඔන්න දැන් පුතාලා එක සතියක් බලනවා කොයි වගේ කාලගුණයක්ද දුවලා පුතාලාට තියෙන්නේ කියලා ඒ සතිය ඇතුළත. Draw a picture. Draw a picture. Now how many days do we have? During the week we have 7 days. Okay. Now out of the 7 days you can observe 5 days the weather types that you have and you can draw them inside this box. Now what is the first day that we have to observe? Then පුතාලා දුවලා ඔක්කොම එක දවසේ අඳින්න බෑ පුතේ. අපි week එකක් අපි හිතමු Monday ඉඳලා Friday වෙනකන් දවස් 5 අපි ගමු. ඒ දවස් ටික පුතාලා බලන්න ඕනේ. දැන් අද සඳුදා නම් අද Monday නම් ඔන්න අද දවසේ ඉවර වුණාම දුවලා පුතාලට අද draw කරන්න පුළුවන්. So if it is a sunny day, if today is a sunny day, you can draw a picture with the bright sun and the clouds and all that. So if it is a rainy day, you have to draw the rain. If it is a windy day, you have to draw the wind. And if it is a cloudy day, you have to draw the clouds. So now we have to complete our workbook activity, and I will help you. But you have to observe, and then you have to do this workbook activity. So now what are the 4 weather types that we learned? Sunny, windy, rainy and cloudy. Now let's say the weather on Monday is a very bright and sunny day. So you have to draw a picture with the bright sun. So now I'm going to bring my picture which shows you the bright sunny day like this. All right. So you have to write. After you draw the picture, you can draw it very beautifully. It doesn't have to be the same thing. දැන් teacher ළඟ තියෙන picture එක වගේම picture එකක් පුතාලා අඳින්න ඕනේ නෑ. පුතාලට ලස්සනට අඳින්න පුළුවන්. You can draw mountains, you can draw a beautiful river, you can draw a beautiful house, but it has to be a sunny day. ඉර පායලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම if it is a sunny day, because we are talking about sunny day, rainy day, windy day and cloudy day. So I have taken in my workbook activity Monday as a very bright and sunny day. And then at the end you have to write, at the bottom you have to write, it's sunny. Now what is the day today? It's a sunny. Today is Monday and it's a sunny day. So you have to write, it's sunny. අද කොහොමද පුතේ තියෙන weather එක? It's sunny. Monday is a sunny day. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. And how do we write the word sunny? S-U-N-N-Y. So that is my picture for Monday. Now let's move on to Tuesday. Oh, Tuesday. Tuesday කියලා කියන්නේ ඔන්න කවදාද පුතේ? අඟහරුවාදා. Mondayට සඳුදාට අපි කියනවා Monday කියලා. අඟහරුවාදට අපි Tuesday කියනවා. මගේ පුතාලට දැන් මතකයි නේද? අපි හැමතිස්සෙම ඉගෙන ගත්ත දේවල් මතක් කරමින් තමයි පාඩම් කරගෙන යන්න ඕනේ. So now we have Tuesday. Now you have to observe the weather on Tuesday. ඔන්න දැන් අපි හිතමු Tuesday තිබුණේ පුතේ හුඟක් හුලං හමන දවසක් කියලා. So now the teacher will bring the windy day over here. Now can you see my picture? It's a windy day. ඔන්න හුළඟ හමන දවසක් තමයි ටීචර්ට Tuesday දවස හුඟක් හුළඟ හමන දවසක්. එතකොට අපි ලියන්නේ මොකක් කියලාද පුතේ? We have to write saying that it is a windy day. How do we write that word? It's windy. W-I-N-D-Y. Windy. Now, when you write the names of the days, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, those you have to write with a capital letter, but not sunny, windy, rainy and cloudy, okay? Because here we have started the sentence with a capital letter. It's windy. First, you must draw the picture, okay? Don't forget that. You have to draw the picture and then write the name of that weather. You can draw when it is a windy day. What else can you draw? Maybe you can draw the trees and the leaves and the plants, and maybe you can draw a little child holding an umbrella and trying to, the wind trying to take the little girl or the boy. So you will know that it's a very windy day. ලස්සනට අඳින්න පුළුවන් මගේ දුවලා පුතාලාට ලස්සන කොටුවක් දීලා තියෙනවනේ අඳින්න නේද පුතේ? එතකොට පුතාලා ලස්සනට අන්නේ මේ විදියට picture එකක් ඇඳලා. Now it doesn't have to be the same thing that I'm drawing. You have to observe the weather and draw. No, මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා මේ කාලගුණය නිරීක්ෂණය කෙරුවට පස්සේ තමයි මේ pictures අඳින්න ඕනේ. සඳුදා කොයි විදියටද අඟහරුවාද කොයි විදියටද එහෙම කියලා. So now we have completed Monday and Tuesday. Next one is Wednesday. Oh, Wednesday, I think I'm going to have a rainy day coming in. Oh, now the weather during Wednesday, we had a rainy day. Wednesday was a rainy day. So you have to draw a rainy day. වැස්ස තියෙන දවසක් ඔන්න ටීචර්ට තිබුණේ Wednesday. ඉතින් මම ඒ විදියට ඇඳ පුතාලා දුවලටත් වැස්ස තියෙන දවසක් නම් ඒ විදියටයි පුතාලා අඳින්න ඕනේ. You have to draw the rain. Maybe you can draw children walking on the roads with umbrellas. It can be a beautiful picture with the rain falling down. And now we have to write the word. How do we write the word? Rainy. How do we write? Now, looking at the weather, we have to say, it's sunny, it's windy. Now, here we have to write it's and then we have to write the weather. It's. That means it is. Now, how is the weather? It's rainy. R-A-I-N-Y. It's rainy. Today is a rainy day. Wednesday. Okay, you have to observe the weather and your drawings might change, because if it is not a rainy day, if it was a sunny day, you can draw a beautiful sunny picture. Right, so let's move on to our next day. What is the day after Wednesday? It's Thursday. Thursday. Oh, now what is the weather going to be on Thursday? Thursday, I think I'm going to have a cloudy day. Oh, it's going to be the sky full of clouds. The day will have clouds all over the sky on Thursday, and they are going to be dark clouds. Before it rains, we can see dark clouds, I told you. ඔන්න පුතේ, Thursday කියන්නේ කවදාද? බ්‍රහස්පතින්දා. Thursday. Thursday. What is the day like? It's cloudy. Then අපි එහෙම ලියන්නත් ඕනේ. You have to write. It's cloudy. Capital I-T-S. It's cloudy. කොහොමද අපි cloudy ලියන්නේ? C-L-O-U-D-Y. Cloudy. It's cloudy. ඔන්න වලාකුලින් පිරිච්ච අහසක් තමයි Thursday තිබිලා තියෙන්නේ. So you have to observe that cloudy day. Maybe you can draw some crows. පුතාලා දුවලට ඔන්න අහසේ කුරුල්ලෝ පියාඹනවා. When the dark clouds are coming, even the animals, the birds that fly in the sky, they know that it's going to rain. So they will fly looking for shelter. කුරුල්ලෝ පියාඹනවා නේද පුතේ? වැස්සට කලින් කුරුල්ලෝ පියාඹලා යනවනේ. So maybe you can draw some dark clouds and you can draw some birds also flying in the sky. So Thursday. Thursday. Thursday is the day. And here, what is the weather like? The weather is cloudy. වලාකුලින් බර වෙච්ච දවසක් තමයි Thursday තිබිලා තියෙන්නේ. So you have to observe the days and then write. Now, we have completed 4 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What is the last day of the week? Out of the weekdays, what is the last day? දැන් අපි කියවනේ සතිය දවස් 5ක් තියෙනවා කියලා. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Those are the 5 weekdays. What is the last weekday? That is the day Friday. So now we will move on to our next slide. Friday. Friday. How do we spell that word Friday? F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Starting with a capital letter. Now, how is the weather going to look like on Friday? Friday මොන වගේ එකක් කියලාද පුතාලා හිතන්නේ? Now, for me, I would like to have a bright and beautiful day. So, I'm going to bring my sunny day over here. And it's going to be a bright, sunny day. Friday, it's going to be a sunny day. All right. So, now can you see the birds and the butterflies and the trees and the bright sun, which is shining in the sky? And what do we say? Can we say that this is a rainy day? Can we say that it's a windy day or a cloudy day? No, we can't. How do we say it? It's sunny. It's sunny. Now we are going to write it's sunny. You have to not only draw, but you have to write as well. It's sunny. Now tell me, how do we write the word sunny? S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny. It's sunny. It's a sunny day. S-U-N-N-Y. NNY. So now we have completed all the 5 days of the week. You have to observe, and then you have to draw the picture, and then you have to write the name of the weather. So now in our lesson today, we spoke about 4 different weather conditions. What are they? Sunny day, windy day, rainy day, and cloudy day. So we have come to the end of our lesson. We have completed our workbook activities as well. And I think you have practiced your days of the week because we had to use them in our activities today. And now that you have learned a beautiful song with all the 4 words of the different weather types, that is sunny, windy, rainy, and cloudy. So I want you to practice them, learn the spelling, and you have to learn how to write the words properly. And it's going to be very easy. If you know the words, you can easily write them on the activity book, the workbook, and you can complete them. So now I have completed my lesson number 6 for you. The different types of weather during the week. So we have spoken about my calendar in our unit number 7, and in our lesson number 6 we spoke about the weather. So I want all of you to learn these 4 words, that is sunny, rainy, windy, and cloudy, before we complete our unit number 7. So we are done with our lesson. It's time for me to go now because I'm going to come back with my next lesson. That is lesson number 7, and that's going to be another interesting lesson for you. So until then, I will see you. Take care. Bye.